Before proceeding to tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change lip color in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open your image. Zoom in, so that you can see the lips clearly. Apply solid color adjustment layer. Choose your color. You can see that color is on our whole canvas. And we want to apply it only on lips. To do so, click on Mask Thumbnail of the adjustment layer, and press Ctrl I. Now our color is hidden. As we applied black color on the mask thumbnail, zoom in. Make sure that foreground color is white. Then choose Brush tool. Start painting on the lips. Choose the blending mode, color. Hold down Alt key, and click on the eye icon of the adjustment layer, to see only adjustment layer. Fill the missing area. You can control the size of the brush with bracket keys. Let me apply one more color with same method. Apply solid color adjustment layer, choose your color. Select your mask thumbnail, and press Ctrl-I, to hide the color. Then select mask thumbnail of first adjustment layer, hold down Alt key, click and drag on second adjustment layer mask. And this message will appear for replacing layer mask. Click Yes to apply. We have copied the visible area of the first layer on the second layer. And now pink color is only visible on lips. Again change blending mode to color. If you want, you can decrease the opacity. Now I am changing the lips color by applying Hue Saturation Adjustment Layer. Apply Hue Saturation Adjustment Layer. Check on Colorize. You can see that color is on whole layer. Select Mask Thumbnail, and press Ctrl-I, to hide the effect. Now as we did earlier, copy the visible area of previous layer on this Hue Saturation Adjustment Layer. And now effect is only on the lips. Change the color which you want. I am going with dark red color. So this is red. This is purple. And this is pink. So that was the tutorial how to change lips color in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you like it. And if you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Thank you.